All right, look, I need y'all to interact with me. I don't want one person to give me every answer. I want y'all to all be here. Here's one reason. Even if you're listening, when you do it, when you actually do it and type it in, you remember more. Okay. All right. So first type of problem that's going to be on the test is one of these, where they say determine what quadrant whatever lies in. In this case, it's 726. So you'll need on your circle. All right, so let me ask you, what do we do? How would you go about this?
You would go around the circle and subtract.
All right. Yeah, subtract. So, right, both of y'all. You're going around the circle, so if I went around one time, I can subtract that off, right? So what does that give you? Okay. So he says 366. All right, then what would you do? Subtract again. Good idea. So you get 6 degrees. So in other words, I've gone around the circle once, around it again, and I've stopped at 6 degrees. What quadrant am I in? First quadrant. So you need to just kind of find your spot and look at the quadrants. Remember, they go 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't mess that up. All right. So there's one type of problem. Don't y'all think if we go together everything just to get it back in the brain? That's what I think is best to begin anyway. All right. Next thing. Convert. How do you convert to radians?
You change the calculator to degrees.
Keep going.
And then you put
You actually don't have to put, you don't have to worry about the degrees, but it's fine. You don't have to worry about the degrees on here because you're converting it over. You got to do something though. That's something else.
Multiply pi over 180.
Very good. So you're going to multiply by pi over 180. Now, here's how we remembered this. If I want radians, a lot of times radians are a fraction with a pi over something. So you know the pi needs to be on top. It would look funny if it was on bottom. All right, so you're going to type that into the calculator and then get what?
75.
Thank you. All right, so you should get that. Make sure that's good for you. But when you're converting to radians, you do this. However you need to remember it. Okay? Make sure, look, now I'm going to keep bouncing along, but if you need to stop me now, make sure so we can get it straight. All right, on the next one, we're converting to degrees. What do you do here?
Multiply 180 over pi.
Very good. So you're going to take your angle and you're going to say times 180 over pi. Now, here's how I remember this, because degrees don't have pi's in them. And these pi's are going to cancel. So you know that has to be good. You don't want a pi in there. So see what that gives you. 315, thank you. All right. Y'all were good with this before, but it's been a while, and there's been a lot of stuff since then. So is this good? All right. All right. Now, we are in DMS, degrees, minutes, seconds, right here, and we want to change it to a decimal. Now, this is what you were talking about. All right, so this is where we say 18, and then what on the calculator?
degree button.
That little button that looks like this. All right, we'll stop. Sorry.